Alright, let's make a tall, soft, 6-layer rainbow cake that slices like a dream. First, I preheat the oven to 180°-160° fan gas 4. I grease and line my cake pans with parchment. If I don't have 6, no stress, I'll bake in batches. Batter time. I cream 165 grams of room temp unsalted butter with 165 grams of caster sugar until it's pale and fluffy. Give it a few minutes. I beat in 3 large eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla. If it looks like it's curdling, I sprinkle in a spoonful of the flour. Then I sift in 170 grams of self-raising flour and fold it gently. If it's stiff, I loosen with a splash of milk. I'm after a smooth, soft batter. Now the rainbow. I divide the batter evenly into 6 bowls. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Gel colors only. They're bold and won't thin the mix. I start with a few drops, stir, and deepen as needed. Remember, it lightens a touch in the oven. I spread each color into a lined pan, smoothing the tops. If I've got 6 pans, I bake together for 15-20 minutes. Fewer pans. I bake in rounds, washing, drying, and relining between bakes. I keep the waiting batter covered. Layers are done when a skewer comes out clean and edges pull away slightly. I cool 10 minutes in the tin, then onto a rack to cool completely. Buttercream. I beat 225 grams of softened butter until pale and creamy. I add 450 grams of sifted icing sugar in stages. Then a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or cream until fluffy and spreadable. For a skyscraper straight cake, I level the cooled layers, just the little domes, using a long serrated knife. Optional, but it makes stacking easy. Assembly. I dot a little buttercream on my board to anchor the cake. Purple layer goes first. I spread an even layer of white buttercream edge to edge. Then blue buttercream, green buttercream, yellow buttercream, orange buttercream, red on top. Light pressure, no sliding. Crumb coat time. I swipe a thin layer of buttercream over the sides and top to trap crumbs. Into the fridge for about 30 minutes until set. Final frosting. I go in with a thicker coat and smooth it, or I add soft swoops for texture. Your call. For the finish, I like rainbow sprinkles, a piped border, maybe little clouds of buttercream on top. Simple details, big payoff. Tips. If a layer looks sticky, chill it briefly before stacking. If buttercream feels too sweet, add a pinch of salt. For sharper slices, chill the finished cake 20-30 minutes, wipe the knife between cuts, and serve at room temp for the best texture. And that's it. A bright, tender rainbow cake with clean stripes and a fluffy vanilla bite. Bake it for birthday's pride or any day that needs color. If you make it, tag me. I want to see that stack. Happy baking.